Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the Tomorrow by Together 2021 Fanlive Shine and Together DVD. This DVD was released originally on July 5th, 2021. It's been out for a little bit over a year. I ordered it maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago and it came fairly quickly. Thankfully, it still does include the postcard photo card, the extra special bonus to buying the DVD. And so this package includes 3 discs, mostly concerts and some behind the scenes and making footage. And so let's take a quick look inside and see what this comes with. So first is a nice photo booklet. Has some photos of the Fanlive. And so this Fanlive was in person. I do see some people in the audience. I haven't watched it before, so I can't say too much about what the video includes. Let's see, second item is a bookmark. Looks like a clear bookmark. Really nice, with Taehyun and some photo cards. Spin, Yeonjun, Byunggu, Taehyun, and last but not least, Nenkai. Also looks like perhaps a stand-up frame of some sort. This looks like this opens and stands. And the last must be the DVDs. So looks like one came aloft a little loose. Excited to watch this concert. I recently went to their Love Sick concert in Houston, so it'd be nice looking back at some of the previous songs that they've done. And so this is the unboxing of the TXT 2021 Fanlive Shine and Together DVD. Comes with this 3 set of DVDs, the photo book, the outbox, the stand card, the photo card, and a clear bookmark. So excited that you could join me today, and I will see you soon. Thank you.